Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. You're cooking with Gigi.
So we have to start with the wine because we actually use whatever wine we're drinking with part of the cooking. So that's what's super fun about mussels. So that's why they're my favorite dish. So first I start by heating like a deep pot, about medium heat. Okay. And then the first ingredient really for mussels, it's super simple, but shallots. I would get like 2 or 3 shallots and just like slice them. I usually just
with the peel on and everything.
Yeah,
okay. And I just bought these at the farmer's market this week too. They were so beautiful.
That's so nice. I usually just cut off the sides.
Okay.
And then cut through the middle.
I'll be your little spoon here.
Thank you. And just slice them like really small.
Oh, no, I like this wine.
Yeah. And and then just chop them up. Just pour them into our pan.
Okay, should I put some olive oil on here?
Yeah, you can just put like a tablespoon. So we're gonna just roast these for a moment.
Okay.
And then the next step is to add your garlic. So I would do just
yeah, that's
like
a lot of garlic.
Tablespoon.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't have that much, but I love garlic. Actually.
Yeah, me too.
I'll just do a lot. And then we'll let it roast. You don't want it to burn. You're just like lightly roasting it. Just kind of the same thing as with an onion.
That's super fun.
And then really the next step is just to put in our mussels. But so the mussels you got are really nice. The most important thing about mussels, and maybe the hardest thing, is that like which ones are you buying? So these are really wonderful because these are from Whole Foods and they're already debearded. So what that means is mussels usually have like a string attached to them.
It's so disgusting.
No, they're kind of weird, but
really
I usually make Joaquin, my husband, take them off for me. But these are already like totally clean. So the next step is just to actually
into the pot I go.
Yeah, and then I would do like a quarter amount of your wine that you're drinking and just put it on top, and then it makes a really wonderful sound. And then a little bit of salt, like just a sprinkle of salt and a little sprinkle of pepper. And then all you do now is
that's like
really. And then you just take your spatula and you just mix it a little bit and then cook for about 3 minutes. But I would check just to make sure when they're open, they're done.
Now, I mean, do you only serve those with the liquid, or do you ever put these on like pasta or something?
Definitely.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I love a little mussel on
definitely.
pasta.
On pasta is good, but I'm just better at cooking the mussels than the pasta, so I'll just like order in the pasta and then put the mussels on the pasta.
Okay.
Okay, I think the mussels are done.
I can't wait. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. That looks so nice.
They smell delicious. All right, so let's put them in this big, beautiful bowl to serve them. Okay, so then we have this beautiful parsley.
Perfect.
All right, thank you. Look, those are Nina's beautiful mussels.
Thank you.